This tool allows wooden pieces to be joined with invisible screws. This screwdriver, which can be attached to cordless drills and creates a magnetic field to drive screws, ensures that no visible screw marks remain when assembling furniture. As a result, assembly can be done without any visible screw traces. First, special two-piece screws are placed into the wooden parts to be joined. Then, the pieces can be screwed together using the rotating magnetic screwdriver. And if needed, they can be unscrewed by rotating it in the opposite direction.